In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets if-then formula. To get started, enter your data into Google Sheets. Make sure your sheet is organized clearly so the formula can evaluate the correct values. In this example, we're working with numbers in a column. And we want Google Sheets to automatically return a result based on whether each number meets a certain condition. This is what makes the if formula so useful. It helps you quickly classify or label data without having to type each result manually. Next, select the cell where you want the formula result to appear. This is the cell where Google Sheets will display either one outcome or another, depending on whether the condition is true or false. The general structure of the formula is equals if. Then inside parentheses, condition, value if true, and value if false. Written out. That looks like this. Equals if, open parenthesis, condition, comma, value. If true, comma. Value if false, close parenthesis. Understanding this structure is important because every if formula follows this same pattern. Now enter this example formula, equals if open parenthesis, b2 greater than or equal to 60. Comma, quotation mark, pass quotation mark. Comma, quotation mark fail, quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula checks the value in cell B2. If the value is 60 or higher, Google Sheets returns pass. If it is lower than 60, it returns fail. This is a simple and practical way to evaluate scores, performance levels, or any kind of data where you want one result when a condition is met and another when it is not. After entering the formula, press enter so the result appears in the selected cell. If the number in B2 meets the condition, you'll see pass. If it doesn't, you'll see fail at this point. The formula is working for just one row. To apply the same formula to the rest of your data, click the bottom right corner of the cell that contains the formula. You'll see a small square box there. This is called the fill handle and it allows you to copy the formula downward automatically. Then drag that box down through the cells where you want additional results. Google Sheets will adjust the row references for you, so each row checks its own value and returns the correct result. This is a quick and efficient way to use an if-then formula in Google Sheets, especially when working with larger sets of data. Thanks for watching.